How was kindergarten today, Mango?
Fine.
Just fine?
Normal.
What did you eat at snack time?
Don't remember.
It's like pulling teeth trying to get something out of you sometimes.
What book are we reading today?
I was thinking we could... Do you have the hiccups?
Yeah, so annoying. I've had them all day. I couldn't even eat my banana pudding at snack time because it kept jiggling out of my spoon every time
So you do remember what you had for snack time?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I think I just might have the perfect book for you today. That's right, Mango. Today's book is called Hick, and it's written by Anushka Ravishankar and illustrated by Christiane Pieper.
I hope it's a book about how to get rid of hiccups.
I think you're in luck, Mango.